Welcome back to our next session. I'm Rachel McIntosh, if you haven't met me already. Our next session today, I'm very excited about. We're going to focus on one of the hottest topics of this year and last year, which is, of course, digital currencies. So as you know, cryptocurrency market capitalization, has grown dramatically in recent times. And as blockchain technology becomes more popular and more reliable, cryptos and blockchain technology is becoming more prevalent within the Forex industry. For example, we are now seeing more and more Forex brokers switching to stablecoin payments as they allow for quick payments with no chargebacks, no rolling reserves, and commission rates that are as much as 5 times lower than the industry standard. So I'm very pleased to introduce Artur Azizov, the Chief Executive of B2Broker, to share his perspectives on the phenomenon of cryptocurrencies in the Forex industry and the impact he expects them to have in the future. Let's welcome him to the stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you very much. Hi, guys. Hi, all. I'm Artur. I'm CEO of B2Broker company, and today I'm going to give our overview about market, about what is happening now on the market, and also about some advantages of crypto transactions on the Forex market. Just few words about our company. In general, we have been working on the market since 2014, and since that time, we, of course, grew up and we launched several projects, several products in different directions. And mainly, we do focus on the 4 directions. And of course, it's a technology division of our company, and we offer our B2 core products, trading platforms, B2 trader matching engine for exchanges, Marksman Hub for spot aggregator liquidity, B2 copy and white labels. Then we offer also prime of prime liquidity under certain jurisdictions, and also we offer for corporate clients cryptocurrency, the crypto spot liquidity, and very soon we are going to announce about our new B2 Prime security. So we are going to become a member of several exchanges. So also in terms of payment projects, of course, everybody knows B2B in Pay. Now more than 450 clients are using this payment gateway for cryptocurrency transactions, to build their blockchain infrastructure, and some other side projects. And just a couple of weeks ago, we just launched B2Broker Venture Capital Fund. So very soon we will announce about that. Let's start, and as you see, one of the interesting facts that just as of May in 2013 capitalization, the whole coin market cap was just 1.6 billion of overall coins at that time. And now, as of May, 5th of May 2021, now it's 2.25 trillions. So the market grew up in 1,000 times just in 8 years. So it's dramatic growth. And of course, like BTC and Ether, it's the majority of this capitalization. Then this is also very interesting statistics. Here you can see addresses, and at every moment of the time, here's the timeline. You can see the numbers of addresses which were depositing funds to exchanges and which were withdrawing funds from exchanges. And you can see, you remember, everybody I guess remember December of 2017, right? When it was the first wave, when it was the first huge hype. And at that time, you see, it was the peak. At that time, 381,000 addresses were depositing funds to wallets of exchanges, let's say 2 exchanges, and just 74,000, it's a maximum actually here, were withdrawing. So it was at the same time. And the second wave, when Bitcoin hit 63, it was right here, this peak was less than the previous peak. So, and I know some of you maybe are thinking sometimes to launch your cryptocurrency exchange, and I want to say that now it's the right time to do that, because as you see, the number of transactions is going up, and so it's still positive dynamic. Also, stable coin growth. This is one of the key factor of all these cryptocurrencies topics, because as you can see, like we can divide from very beginning. There are three types of stable coins. First of all, it's a regulated stable coins. And one of the well-known regulated stable coin, it's USDC. So it's first regulated stable coin from United States. And even United States, they stated that they don't have, and they didn't, and they are not going for now launch their own like digital dollar, but in reality they already injected their dollar into the crypto economy since they approved back in 2018 the first license for this regulated stable coin. So, and now you can see 14 billion capitalization of these regulated stable coins just for 3 years. So then one of the famous stable coin in the world is USDT Trezor, and as you can see, it's already hit 52 billions. Why it's so popular? Because you know many brokers here. How many times you face the problems with banks? I do remember like 2013, 2012, when you could actually open the bank account even remotely, right? So now, if you want to open bank account, you face a lot of problems, questions, documents. You want to send just a couple of $100,000 transactions. You have to provide so many like documents, paperwork, and so on. So that's why, of course, like this is the answer to banks that markets and brokers and all the participants of the markets, they have to survive, they have to operate, they have to be able to work with their clients, to work with their counterparties, to work with their partners. So that's why the capitalization of stable coins grew up very fast. And as you can see here, and the third type, by the way, of stable coins, it's a decentralized stable coins. Of course, guys, don't forget that regulated stable coins, it's regulated stable coins, or let's say centralized tokens based on decentralized blockchains. So, which means theoretically, these companies who are like behind these regulated tokens, potentially they might block one of your transactions or even one of your addresses where you keep your balances, right? So that's why it's also, you should keep this information in mind, that it's not the decentralized coins anymore. They can just easily block your account, and that's it. Then it's also interesting fact, the trading volumes of major cryptocurrencies. So in March 2021, it was one of the record $2.5 trillion were made at that day, at that month, and as you see, it's still uptrend. Of course, you may say that among this volume, there are so many fake volumes, fake transactions. Yes, maybe it is, but still it's fact that transactions and the volume still goes up. Then number of transactions, this is the very detailed statistics about the transactions divided by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, which is like unregulated stable coin, which is 52 billion capitalization, based on across the all blockchains, because it's based not only on the Ethereum, now it's also based on Tron, Omni protocol, and so on. And stablecoin, USDC, regulated stablecoin. So 53 million transactions across the major coins, just major coins across the all blockchains, right? And it's just for 1 month. And as I heard the statistics that banks, they already lost around 5% of the global transactions. They moved to blockchain. And this trend will speed up, and the companies will push this process as well themselves. Also, another fact, starting from 2016 to 2020, it's official transactions of global bank that in 5 years, the number of, let's say, volume of fiat transactions from 100,000 billions has grown to 131. So just for 30% for 5 years. Now, let's see on the crypto from 2016 till 2020, you can see the movement, right? And it's 1,400%. So for 2020, the last year, it's official transparency statistics, right? And it's 1,400 billion dollars. That's the volume of all overall transactions for 2020. So you see the growth, and it's definitely impressive. Now, I wanted to explain you about difference between stable coins, major coins, and card payments. Of course, all of you very well know about the card payments, and I will go just point by point. Let's say decentralization. So major coins, yes, it is. It's the facts. It's pure decentralized. Nobody can block your account. Like your account, it's pure your account. Nobody has access there. You control it. You manage that. Then stable coins, it's not decentralized if we are talking about stable coins, no matter unregulated or regulated, because the only decentralized stable coins, they might be here, but in reality, of course, the majority of the transactions go through regulated stable coins and unregulated stable coins. That's why we put here cross as well, and card payments cross as well. So then fast and secure, okay, clear. Chargebacks, this is the one of the huge headaches, and especially who deal with Asia region. Yes, there are so many group of traders. They come to several brokers, they open accounts here and there. Here they buy, here they sell. Where they lose money, they report to police, and they do the chargeback. So that's why crypto allow you to avoid all these problems, to avoid all these headaches. So that's why you see this movement, that's why you see this growth. And here the obviously chargebacks, card payments, it's one of the biggest headaches. Then rolling reserve. To be honest, I don't understand why, for example, I am as a broker, I have to keep 10% with any other like counterparty or card processing company. What for? Like to use my money for their operations, to allow them to use this money to grow their business instead of helping to my business. But what if my clients wanted to withdraw funds, right? So you have to be able to have access to 100% of your funds. So that's why, of course, crypto transactions, crypto processing doesn't have these problems. No rolling reserve at all. So instantly you are able to manage all your funds. Then low cost. For high risk business, Forex, casinos, and unregulated Forex, the percentage may go sometimes up to 10%. From 5 to 10, then 10% rolling reserve. So you lose on every $1,000, you lose $200. Here in card processing, so you pay around 0.5%, and that's it. No rolling reserve, no chargebacks, because it's the transactions, they are irreversible, so you cannot claim to get this money back. If you send, it's done. Of course, potentially you can send some claim to regulator, but it's another story. Okay, and of course, easy opening account, transparency. And the last thing, it's fast settlement, because with crypto processing, all your funds that you accepted from the clients, they are immediately available on your account, and you can immediately start using them for payouts or just to do the settlement back to your account, or up to you actually. Then risk of fraud usage. It's one of the huge risks, and now, as you know, the fraud, it's very common thing on the market, and you have to first of all think about how to protect your users, and then think what you're gonna do if someone use the card of the user which was stolen from him, and he used this card in order to fund account with your broker, for example. Then you will get chargeback, and you will lose this money. But maybe this client, he already withdrew this money before using another payment method. So this is also you cannot just ignore this risk, right? Then instant payouts. As I said already, in crypto, there is no problem for instant payouts. You can do payouts to your clients, back to another clients, just to withdraw to your, let's say, cold storage wallets, because you don't need to keep all funds with your crypto processor company. So maybe you should keep there just 25% in order to be able to do the very fast payouts to your users, and keep another 70% on your cold storage. It's a very secure way how to properly manage your clients' funds, you know, and you control them. So, and of course, volatility risk. Yes, I should admit that major coins, they have tremendous volatility risk. And just take a look on the market since Monday or since Sunday, yes, the Bitcoin dropped from, let's say, 50K till 39 as of now. So of course you cannot avoid this risk, but you keep this risk in order to be fully decentralized, to be fully independent. Nobody has access to your funds, to your money, to your coins. Of course, if you use stable coins, but they are not decentralized, as we already discussed here, and that's why, you know, it's cross here. And stable coins and card payments, they don't have this risk, so they are in green. It's good. Here there is the risk, but another advantages. And regulated, yeah, major coins, they are not regulated. Stable coins, you can decide which type of stable coins you want to use for your users, or you want to accept from your users. It might be regulated, unregulated, and decentralized. So, and transactions limit. Major coins, stable coins, no limits. So no matter, you can transfer $10 million, $15 million, $20, $100 million, $100. Just you should pay attention on the commission fee, on the blockchain fee, because when we started our crypto processing, the commission fee on Ethereum blockchain, it was just 2 cents. Now it's $20. So just in 4 years, let's say 3.5 years. But of course, because Ethereum blockchain and Bitcoin blockchain, they are overloaded every time. As so many transactions they stack, and especially the users who try to minimize their expense, they choose actually the small fee And that's why the miners, of course, they wanna first absorb the transactions with the highest fee in order to make more money, to make more commissions. So that's why here the all advantages and disadvantages, they are very obvious here. I don't even need to say something. That's why I should admit the many brokers now, Forex brokers, crypto brokers, casinos, gaming companies, gambling. So all of them, they already switched, they already moved from credit card processing to crypto transactions. So I don't want to say that card processing has no future. No. There is the future, and I believe that credit card processing, it's very good for users who want to use credit cards in order to buy crypto, and then use this crypto with brokers and other market participants. So guys, unfortunately my time is over, and I would love to answer to all your questions, but time is already over. And if you have any questions, please come to our booth. We have two booths here. It's B2Broker booth stand number 4 and B2B in Pay booth stand number 18. So we will be delighted to meet all of you, to answer all your questions, to explain in details everything you wanna ask us. So thank you very much for your attention, and see you. Bye bye. Thank you.